The Kura Reo is a program that gives Māori language students the opportunity to meet and mix with language students from Hawaii. This program is a continuation of a trip that was held in Hawaii in 2013, where Māori language students from AUT got the chance to travel to Hawaii and participate in a Hawaiian immersion language camp for a whole week. At this camp, the students were immersed in the Hawaiian language and came away not only with a basic knowledge of the language, but a new experience, learning new cultural protocol, cultural customs, building a relationship with people who share a similar affinity to the revitalization of their native language. The Hawaiian students that participated in the Kura Reo ranged from year 1 to year 3 students. This was important because there is a similarity between Te Reo Māori and the Hawaiian language, and this gave Hawaiian language students the opportunity to compare and contrast both the languages, which made the transition from Hawaiian to Māori a little bit easier. This program is significant because it gives AUT students the opportunity to experience the changing world, which in turn opens their minds to endless possibilities.
Pelina mai e nā momi hoʻoheno ka pāki pika, a helu ana mai o ka ona kai e walu.
Mahalo nui, ia oko, aloha. Mahalo. 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 Kia ora.